Hey there, welcome back. Today we're baking up something special, crispy oatmeal cookies. They're not just delicious but also a healthier choice compared to store-bought ones. In a large bowl, combine 3/4 cup oat flour, 1 cup almond flour, 2/3 cup cornstarch or arrowroot flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon powdered vanilla or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it all together. In a separate bowl, melt 1/3 cup butter. Add 1/4 cup peanut butter or almond butter if you prefer. Add 1/3 cup maple syrup. Whisk together until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into the bowl with dry ingredients, and mix until everything comes together to form a dough. On a lined with parchment paper work surface, roll out the dough. Place the rolled sheet into the fridge for 30 minutes. It helps to cut out the cookies perfectly. Meanwhile, chop peanuts into coarse crumbs. Remove the chilled dough from the refrigerator. Cut out rings with a diameter of about 4 inches. Then, using another cutter of smaller diameter, cut out the center of each ring. Arrange your cookies on the prepared baking sheet. Brush with beaten egg whites one at a time. Top with chopped peanuts and gently press it down. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes until golden brown. Re-roll the remaining dough and continue cutting until all is used. Once baked, let the cookies cool on a wire rack. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Foodmetrica for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.